in this demonstration, we'll look at how using wireless access as the base, we can build more critical attacks. So we are all aware of wireless attacks such as honeypots, evil twins, rogue APs and all that. And even sometimes we are sort of compelled to try and connect to unsecure networks and try and get network access. This demonstration will prove that even though for the user the experience is transparent, a hacker in between can actually get hold of the passwords, etc., while the user is surfing the net. This example will typically consist of an SSL man in the middle attack in which an unsuspecting user connects to a wireless network and accesses his Yahoo Mail. Let's go ahead and start the demo. The user first clicks and connects to the network and gets the wireless access. We go ahead and make sure that we've received an IP address for the demo to begin. As you can see, we've got an IP address 2.69. Now we go ahead and start our web browser. And go to yahoo.com. For the user, everything is so transparent, as in till now you can not see any difference as to what is happening behind the scenes. So he clicks on mail.yahoo.com and we actually see that there is a certificate problem. Now statistics suggests that around 95% of the users just go ahead and click OK to a certificate problem. So we come in front of our familiar Yahoo Mail page and the user logs in with his username and password. Currently the password is airtight_demo and he signs in. So if you notice, the user experience is quite transparent apart from that beginning certificate error. The guy goes in, he can check his mail, go to his address book, check out things here and there. So if you see, things are actually quite transparent here, right? Now let's actually see how the hacker has already tricked the user into revealing his password over SSL. Now we try and log into this machine called 2.68 and this is the hacker machine. Then we actually change directory to the place where our tool is running, right? And we go ahead and look at the log file which it has generated. Now let's search for the string password. As you can see here that the login is Vivek_EC_IITG and the password is airtight_demo. So even though the user is able to access his mail and everything without any problems, the hacker has actually managed to get the username and password using an SSL man in the middle attack. So this demo goes on to show that a user might actually feel that okay, he's accessing the web and doing everything totally transparently, but a hacker could be there somewhere in between, eavesdropping upon the connection and even getting passwords over secure connections like SSL. That's it for this demo. Thank you.